Hey guys, Tony Ross here with Ross Law Firm in Denton, Texas. I wanted to talk with you guys real quick today about what to do if you have a juvenile, somebody who is under 17 years of age and they have gotten in trouble with the police. This can be at school, it can be at home, it can be just out and about. Typically, what's going to happen these days with juveniles getting in trouble, it's not like back in the day when I was a kid or most of us grew up, where the principal got involved, the parents got involved, but law enforcement typically did not. Typically, we're seeing police and law enforcement get involved in these cases, and so if it's any kind of serious case, whether it's an assault, a criminal trespass, maybe a drug charge, maybe an alcohol charge, even truancy stuff, curfew stuff we've seen. Oftentimes your young son or daughter is going to be picked up, arrested, taken to juvenile detention center here in Denton, or whatever county you're in. Typically what's going to happen is what's called a detention hearing is going to be set for the next morning, wherein a judge will decide whether or not that person should be released. There's a lot of things that we need to have prepared for that detention hearing. Oftentimes I get calls from folks after the detention hearing, and we have to address it post-detention, where we try to get them out at the next hearing. But I can tell you, if your young son or daughter gets picked up and you can contact me, we can typically appear at that detention hearing with you and give you the best information and the best tools and set up a plan to give that young person the best chance to be released, to where they're not held for 7, 10, 14 days, basically sitting in juvenile detention center waiting for that next hearing. After that, a petition is going to be filed formally charging them with what's called delinquent conduct in a juvie case. It's not called a criminal offense, it's called delinquent conduct, and the case will kind of proceed from there. But with juvenile cases especially, if you have one of these cases come up, if your young son or daughter gets in trouble, contact us as soon as possible, because the earlier that we can get on this case, the more likely that we can get that person out quickly and get them on their way with the minimal amount of damage to the record. Thanks. Bye-bye.